Все, убирай руку, которую мыши. Ты не запишешь?
Our today's topic is present simple.
Я хочу посмотреть, ты нужна?
Present simple is like talking about things we do all the time or things that are always true. For example, what do we do on a typical day? We wake up, brush our teeth, get dressed, go to school, study, watch TV, play, go to bed. All these actions are in present simple because they are familiar to us and are repeated almost at the same time. Please watch this video.
I want to tell you a story. Billy's uncle is 36 years old and he lives on the 20th floor of a tall building.
Modal verbs are a bit different. They are words like can, will, and should. Modal verbs help us understand possibilities, abilities, and suggestions. They work together with other verbs to make sentences. The verb to be is special too. It helps us say what something is like. For example, I am happy, or she is tall. It tells us more about the subject. So, semantic verbs show actions, modal verbs show possibilities, and the verb to be helps describe things. All these verbs are important to make sentences and talk about different ideas. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are special words that help us talk about possibilities, abilities, and suggestions. They make our sentences more interesting and show how we feel about things. To understand in what situations modal verbs are used, watch this video.
What are you gonna do here, Grandma?
Well, I'm gonna make pizza.
Can I help you?
Yes, of course, but you should wear an apron. Now we must roll the dough with the rolling pin.
Can I do it, please?
Yes, of course.
We have here different types of modal verbs. Ought to, should, shall, must, would, will, might, may, could, can. Fill in the blanks with the correct modal verbs can, should, must. I swim very well. I can swim very well. She read the book later. She can read the book later. We clean our room today. We should clean our room today. They play soccer in the park. They can play soccer in the park. He helped his mom with cooking. He must help his mom with cooking. You come to the party on Saturday. You should come to the party on Saturday. It rain tomorrow. It can rain tomorrow. They visit the zoo next week. They can visit the zoo next week. She not eat too much candy. She must not eat too much candy. We study for the test. We should study for the test. Match sentence helps to create meaningful sentences. 1. I should. 2. They can. 3. She will. 4. We might. 5. He wants. A. Play soccer this afternoon. B. Study for the test. C. Visit the zoo next weekend. D. Go to the beach if it's warm. E. Read a story before bedtime. I should study for the test. They can play soccer this afternoon. She will go to the beach if it's warm. We might visit the zoo next weekend. He wants read a story before bedtime. To make denial, we add not after the modal verb. I cannot swim. She will not read a book. We should not eat too much candy. Make the sentences negative. I can swim in the pool. I cannot swim in the pool. She should finish her homework before dinner. She should not finish her homework before dinner. We must brush our teeth before bedtime. We must not brush our teeth before bedtime. They can play the guitar really well. They cannot play the guitar really well. He should eat more vegetables for good health. He should not eat more vegetables for good health. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike. You must not wear a helmet when riding a bike. She can speak 2 languages fluently. She cannot speak two languages fluently. We should recycle to help the environment. We should not recycle to help the environment. They must arrive at the airport early for their flight. They must not arrive at the airport early for their flight. I can help you with your math homework. I cannot help you with your math homework. To ask questions, we switch the order of the modal verb and the subject. Can I go outside? Will she come to the party? Should we clean our room? To understand this video, watch please this video. Follow the link.
Little bird, can you clap?
No, I can't. No, I can't. I can't clap.
Little bird, can you fly?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can fly. Elephant, elephant, can you fly?
No, I can't. No, I can't. I can't fly.
Elephant, elephant, can you stomp?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can stomp.